Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the least messy way to peel an orange. Let's get to it. So the first thing you need, well, you need an orange, right? So this method, what's really great about it is if you're like me and you don't have fingernails, I mean, I have them, they're just usually very short. It's hard to dig into an orange and peel it. Also, you get that orange zest and orange oil all over you, which, all over your hands, are just sticky. So this is just an easier way to do it if you're trying to peel an orange. So you want to start out with taking a knife and you're just going to cut along the equator of the orange. Just cutting through the peel, but not actually cutting into the orange itself. And just cut along the whole equator until you have one line all the way around. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is take a spoon. It doesn't have to be a spoon, but you want a utensil or of some sort that has a nice flat shape, but it's not sharp, so it should be dull, like our president. So you wanna take that and you're gonna insert that under the equator where you sliced open the orange, and you're gonna use that to dislodge the peel from the orange itself. So you can't use a knife because if you do, you're gonna pierce right through it. So just kind of take the spoon or whatever you're using, slide it under the peel, and then just work that peel and spoon around, kind of turning the orange over the spoon. You're doing this just to remove that peel from the orange. Once that's done, you can just go ahead and take that orange, just take the peel, twist it, and pop it right off. You have the little orange bowl. You can even see the little nubby in there. I don't know why that's fun to do, but it is. There you have that part. So now you have the remaining peel. You have half of the orange that's been peeled. You're gonna do the same exact thing. Just take that spoon, sliding it just between the peel and the orange. And once it's done, just go ahead and twist that off. Pop it off like this. Then you have your completely peeled orange. Super easy, not messy at all, and kind of fun, I'm gonna be honest. If you like this video, hey, you know what? Give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I release new videos every single week. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. See you guys next time. Once that's done, you can go ahead and take the orange, twist it, and just pop that peel right off. It helps if you have the stage one.